My name is Raquel. I have an extensive experience spanning from preschoolers to high school students. I bring a wealth of knowledge and passion to education. Armed with a bachelor's in child development, a master's in TESOL, and a master's in learning design and technology, I'm dedicated to creating engaging, fun, and developmentally appropriate lesson plans and curriculum that cater to each student's unique learning needs. Whether in a traditional classroom or virtual setting, I thrive on adapting activities to ensure every student is actively engaged and participating. Central to my teaching philosophy is the belief that learning should be enjoyable, fostering a lifelong love for education. But above all, I understand the value of listening to my students, ensuring their voices are heard and respected in the learning process. Hope to see you soon. Bye.